although I know in myself na hindi rin ako okay kasi that was during pandemic. I was clinically diagnosed talaga with anxiety and depression, to the point that I almost, well, I had a plan previously to commit suicide. No, good thing na lang talaga, there's a lot of person around me na tumulong sa akin. And right now, siguro hindi ko man siya masabi na it's a direct advocate of mental health, no, pero isa yun sa pinaka tinitignan ko to all the people that I've encountered on my daily life.
Check nga kung nandiyan na sa space. Okay. So, uh, growing up, paano dinedefine yung ideal child doon sa family?
Okay.
Sige, go.
Um, Siguro ng time kasi na yun, my mom is very strict, no, na, well, ako kasi yung pinakaunang how should I say it, apo na naka-graduate, nakapagtapos, and then I got my license in nursing, no. They always habang lumalaki kasi ako, my mom, "O kailangan ganito, nasa labas tayo, 'wag ka masyadong maingay. Your score should be this high. Kailangan, hindi ka puwedeng magpatalo sa mga classmates mo. You have to really do good on your scores." Well, siguro it's also a good thing din naman on my end kasi, ano ba, I graduated or finished my high school as valedictorian, ganyan. Hindi nawawala sa top honor students, ganyan. Pero kasi, kailangan you have to be, how should I say, kailangan magalang ka parati sa lahat ng tao. Hindi ka po puwedeng sumabat sa usapan ng mga yung the usual how, Filipino parents siguro yung term, 'no, na, paano ba nila establish ang isang mabuting tao, 'no?